Let's see, after reset your AirTag or change the battery, if you want to connect your AirTag again with your iPad or iPhone, I show you how you need to do. If you don't know how to change the battery or reset your AirTag, you need to watch this video or watch the in-screen video first, then come back to watch this video again. Make sure you turned on the internet and Bluetooth. These two options will be very must. Either you can use Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then just click connect and select the AirTag name. I just choose bike, continue, agree. Now just wait until it's connect. You hear the sound. Yeah, you hear the sound, it's done. Click done, open Find My. So here you can see bicycle, then switches to items, and here you can see your connected AirTags. Just touch that, scroll up. Here we have different options to find your AirTag, bicycle, play sound if you are nearby. So these things are usually. So, and the important thing is, in case if you doesn't see the pop-up like when you see in the video, you just turn off the screen and turn on the screen again, unlock your screen, then you can see the pop-ups. If still you doesn't see, just turn on the aeroplane mode and wait a moment and turn off again, then off the screen, on the screen, unlock the screen. Then definitely you can see the pop-ups to connect. Before doing this, make sure you turn on the internet and Bluetooth. This is the thing you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about AirTag, you need to watch this playlist.